Hello students, let's read adding word search. Listen carefully and repeat. Adding word search. Do these sums and then find the answers in the word search grids. Circle the words as you find them. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. TWO 2. FIFTEEN 15. ONE 1. SIX 6. SEVEN 7. THREE 3. Happy learning!